Welcome, curious minds, to a journey into the heart of nature's boundless ingenuity. Here on this channel, we endeavor to unravel the mysteries and marvels of the living world, to bring you closer to the intricate dance of life that unfolds across our planet. Today, we set our sights on a creature so perfectly sculpted by evolution, it seems almost a figment of an artist's imagination, a testament to the sheer creativity inherent in the natural world. Welcome to our deep dive into one of nature's most intriguing creatures, the orchid mantis. This is not merely an insect, it is a living jewel, a master of disguise whose existence blurs the line between flora and fauna. Its delicate appearance belies a formidable hunter, a silent predator that embodies both breathtaking beauty and ruthless efficiency. Prepare to be captivated by a story of adaptation, survival, and the extraordinary strategies life employs to thrive. Over the next few moments, we will explore its remarkable camouflage, journey to its lush tropical home, and uncover the fascinating differences between the sexes. We shall witness its patient, deadly hunting techniques and understand why, despite its fragile allure, it stands as a formidable predator in its domain. Join us as we illuminate the hidden life of this truly astonishing being, the orchid mantis. Behold the orchid mantis. At first glance, one might easily mistake it for a delicate petal, a fragment of a bloom swaying gently in the tropical breeze. Its body, a canvas of creamy whites and soft pinks, sometimes accented with hues of yellow or brown, perfectly mirrors the exquisite flowers amongst which it resides. The legs, flattened and lobed, resemble petals themselves, creating an illusion so convincing that it deceives even the keenest of eyes. This is not mere coloration, it is a profound three-dimensional mimicry. This remarkable camouflage is a masterclass in evolutionary artistry. The mantis doesn't simply imitate a generic flower, its appearance is often strikingly similar to specific orchid species found within its habitat. Its posture, too, contributes to the deceit, a stillness so absolute it becomes one with the plant. Young nymphs can even change their color over a period of days, subtly shifting between pink and white depending on the background, a truly phenomenal adaptation further refining their disguise. This ability to blend seamlessly is paramount to its survival, a silent language spoken to both predator and prey. The perfection of this disguise serves a dual purpose, a brilliant strategy honed over millennia. Primarily, it is a cloak of invisibility, shielding the mantis from creatures that would prey upon it, birds, lizards, and larger arthropods. But more cunningly, it transforms this delicate-looking insect into a deadly lure. Unsuspecting pollinators, drawn by the promise of nectar from what appears to be a harmless flower, venture too close, unaware that they are approaching not a source of sustenance, but the epicenter of a patiently laid trap. Our journey to understand the orchid mantis takes us to the verdant, humid rainforests of Southeast Asia. Here in countries such as Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and the Philippines, a breathtaking tapestry of life unfolds. These ancient forests, with their towering canopies and dense undergrowth, are sanctuaries of biodiversity pulsating with the calls of unseen creatures and the silent growth of myriad plant forms. The air is thick with moisture, sunlight filtering through in dappled patterns, creating a world of perpetual twilight and vibrant life. It is within this lush, complex environment that the orchid mantis finds its home. It does not roam the forest floor, nor does it typically reside high in the canopy. Instead, it prefers the intermediate zones, particularly areas rich in flowering plants, especially orchids and other similarly colored blossoms like frangipani or papaya flowers. These floral havens provide not only the perfect backdrop for its camouflage, but also a steady stream of the insects it preys upon. The mantis is a creature of light and color, thriving where the rainforest blooms most vividly. Life in such an ecosystem, however, is a delicate balance of opportunity and peril. The same vibrant flowers that attract its prey also draw the attention of its predators. The constant humidity, while essential for the rainforest's health, can pose challenges for smaller insects. Yet, the orchid mantis is exquisitely adapted to this world. Its very being is a reflection of its surroundings, a specialized existence carved out amidst the intense competition and diversity of one of the Earth's richest biological realms. Within the world of the orchid mantis, a fascinating divergence exists between the sexes, a phenomenon known as sexual dimorphism. This is not merely a subtle variation, but a dramatic difference in size, appearance, and even lifestyle, painting a vivid picture of nature's varied reproductive strategies. To observe a male and female side by side is to witness two distinct expressions of the same species, each sculpted for different roles in the continuation of their lineage. The female orchid mantis is the embodiment of the floral mimicry for which the species is famed. She is significantly larger, sometimes more than twice the length of her male counterpart, her body broader and her petal-like lobes more pronounced. Her colors are often more vibrant, more intensely pink or brilliantly white, making her an almost perfect replica of a blossom. This impressive size and elaborate disguise are crucial as she requires substantial resources to produce eggs, and her camouflage allows her to ambush larger, more nutritious prey. The male, in stark contrast, is a far more diminutive and less ornate creature. He is smaller, slenderer, and often possesses a duller, sometimes greenish or brownish hue with less developed floral lobes. His primary concern is not so much ambushing large prey, but rather locating a mate, a task that requires agility and the ability to travel, often by flight, through the dense rainforest. His smaller size and more cryptic, less flower-like appearance may also help him avoid detection by predators, including at times the potentially cannibalistic females he seeks. His life is one of movement and pursuit, a different path to ensuring genetic survival. The orchid mantis is an ambush predator par excellence, a hunter that relies not on speed or stamina in the chase, but on infinite patience and flawless deception. It selects its hunting ground with care, often a prominent flower or a stem where insects are likely to visit. Once positioned, it enters a state of near-perfect stillness, its body aligned with the plant, its limbs arranged to enhance the floral illusion. Hours, even days, can pass in this motionless vigil, a testament to its unwavering focus. This strategy of aggressive mimicry is what makes the orchid mantis so uniquely effective. It doesn't just hide from predators, it actively draws its prey towards its deadly embrace. Butterflies, bees, flies, and other small insects, attracted by what they perceive as a promising source of nectar or a safe place to land, fly unwittingly into the kill zone. The mantis, disguised as part of the inviting bloom, remains undetected until the very last fatal moment. It is a chillingly beautiful deception, where allure becomes the ultimate weapon. When an unsuspecting insect ventures within range, the transformation is instantaneous and breathtakingly swift. In a blur of motion, often too fast for the human eye to follow in real time, the mantis strikes. Its powerful raptorial forelegs, usually held folded and inconspicuous, lash out with astonishing speed and precision, snatching the victim from the air or plucking it from a nearby leaf. Spines on these forelegs ensure a firm grip, leaving the prey with little chance of escape from this beautiful yet lethal embrace. Despite its ethereal beauty and flower-like fragility, the orchid mantis is, at its core, a formidable and highly efficient predator. This remarkable contrast between its delicate appearance and its predatory prowess is one of the most captivating aspects of its biology. It serves as a potent reminder that in nature, appearances can indeed be deceiving, and beauty can often mask a fierce and unyielding drive to survive. This is not a passive ornament of the rainforest, it is an active and crucial participant in its intricate food web. The diet of the orchid mantis consists primarily of other insects, particularly those attracted to flowers, such as bees, butterflies, moths, and flies. However, females, with their larger size and strength, are known to take on surprisingly substantial prey, sometimes tackling insects almost as large as themselves, or even small vertebrates like geckos, if the opportunity arises. Their powerful mandibles make short work of their catch, consuming it methodically, often while still perched serenely on their floral hunting grounds. This predatory role, though seemingly ruthless, is vital for the health of its ecosystem. By controlling populations of various insects, the orchid mantis contributes to the delicate balance of the rainforest community. It is a specialist, perfectly tuned to its environment and its chosen method of hunting. The orchid mantis, therefore, stands as a stunning example of evolutionary success, a creature whose exquisite form is inextricably linked to its function as one of nature's most beautiful and most effective assassins. And so, our exploration of the orchid mantis draws to a close. We have journeyed into its world, marveled at its breathtaking camouflage, and witnessed the deadly precision hidden beneath its floral disguise. This extraordinary creature, a living blossom, serves as a profound illustration of nature's artistry and the relentless creative forces of evolution. It reminds us that even in the smallest of beings, we can find complexities and wonders that rival the grandest spectacles on Earth. The orchid mantis is more than just an insect. It is a symbol of the intricate connections that weave through our planet's ecosystems. Its survival depends on the health of the rainforests it inhabits, and its existence enriches the biodiversity that makes our world so vibrant. By understanding and appreciating such unique life forms, we deepen our own connection to the natural world and recognize the importance of preserving these precious habitats for generations to come. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of the orchid mantis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature facts. We hope this glimpse into its life has inspired you to look closer at the world around you, for nature's wonders are everywhere, often hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring.